In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a meeting event in the Microsoft Teams calendar. Managing your calendar efficiently is crucial, especially in a busy work environment where meetings might get canceled or rescheduled frequently. Whether it's a one-on-one meeting or a larger team gathering, knowing how to remove these meetings from your calendar helps keep things organized and prevent any confusion. To get started, you'll first want to open the Microsoft Teams application on your device. When you do, look towards the left sidebar, where you will find several icons representing different features of Teams. Click on the one labeled Calendar. This takes you right into the calendar view, where you can see all your scheduled meetings and events. Once you're in your calendar, the next step is to locate the specific meeting you wish to delete. If you're dealing with a busy schedule, you might need to scroll through a bit to find the right one. But no worries, take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct meeting. When you find it, right-click on the meeting. If the meeting is a scheduled one, selecting the Cancel option is your next move. And if it happens to be a personal calendar event, then you would choose Delete. This distinction is essential because it affects what actions will follow next. For scheduled meetings that involve others, clicking Cancel opens up a Cancel Meeting window. Here, you have the opportunity to write a short message to the participants. This message is optional but can be quite helpful if you want to provide any context or reschedule information bound to the attendees. Once you've decided on whether or not to include a message, click Send. By sending this notification, you're not only removing the event from your calendar, but also letting all participants know that the meeting has been canceled. This step is particularly important to prevent any misunderstandings or unnecessary calls or emails from people wondering about the meeting status. Everyone gets updated, and both your calendar and theirs are cleared of the event. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the meetings in your Microsoft Teams calendar, keeping your schedule clean and up to date. Mastering these small tasks can make a world of difference in maintaining a well-organized work environment. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on navigating Microsoft Teams and other productivity tools.